100. My Slant lathe integrates a number of advanced technologies designed for efficient and high-precision machining. The high-rigidity virtual axis structure achieve milling performance near extreme rigidity. Based on the composite motion of the link-lined medium plate, the large horizontal plate and the biaxial interpolation calculation, linear rolling guides ensure high-speed operation while reducing friction and temperature rise deformation. Guarantee long-term processing stability. X or Z axis adopts servo motor. Connect precision ball screw with 60-degree angular contact bearings and fixed supports at both ends. Significantly reduces the risk of deformation during high-speed recutting. Servo programmable tailstock equipped with overload protection. Boost movement and jacking efficiency with motor drive. Integrated power turret with high precision positioning, compact construction, and no lift tool changing technology. Tool change time is only 1 second, meeting diverse precision machining needs.